Hey guys, welcome to Tutorialguru. Today I'll be learning how to redeem Steam gift codes, and now let's dive right in. Now to redeem your gift codes on Steam, first open up your Steam app and log into your account, as I've already logged into my Steam account over here. And after logging into your Steam account, guys, you can see we are currently on the store section over here of the Steam. On this section at the top left corner, you can see there are a bunch of icons or items available for us. Hover over the games icon over here and click on it, and you can see, guys, it says redeem a Steam wallet code on this interface. Click on redeem a Steam wallet code over here, and then this is the place to enter the gift code of your Steam wallet, where you can see, guys, it says Steam gift cards and wallet codes are easy way to put money into your Steam account or give the perfect gift of games to a friend and family member. And with that being said, guys, just enter the Steam gift code over here, whichever may it be, wherever you've got it from. And after that, click on the continue button over here, and then that net amount of that gift code of Steam will be redeemed and added to your wallet balance over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to redeem Steam gift codes on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.